Yes, welcome back to my channel, my trader friends. So for this video, we will be having our discussion regarding the list append method of the Python programming language. Okay, so without further ado, let's start this tutorial. Okay, so adding an items to a list using append method. So basically, since we are talking all about the list here, and list is one of the collection data types together with tuple, sets, and dictionaries, which we will be tackle on the next video upload. Therefore, a list, it has the ability to expand since it is a collection data types, and with that, we can actually add an additional items to the already existing list. And for this append method, when we are about to add an item, it will be placed at the end of the list, at the final item. That will be considered as the final item, the new added one. Okay, so for the syntax, here's our syntax. We should write first our variable name, then followed by a dot, append term on a lowercase letter, then of course parentheses and your item to be added. Again, since we are talking with a list here, any data type can be added. Maybe it can be a string, a integer, or float. It can be added here. Okay, so let's have our task now. For our task, we should add the following technical indicators on the list created based on our previous task. So on our previous task, my friends, we have there our technical indicator list. So we will going to add an indicator on that list. So using the append method. And what we will going to add are the commodity channel index, average true range, and the Ichimoku Kinkoyo. So basically, these are all an indicator on the financial market, but on the trading perspective, on the programming perspective, these are all a string. Okay, so we can now actually open our Jupyter notebook and let's start our coding. Okay, so we're now here on our Jupyter notebook. First of all, let's have our title. So list append method. Okay, so let's mark this down and run for us to have a title. Okay, so let's copy paste this. Even though we don't copy paste this, actually we can have our append on this cell. So let's have technical indicators. So this is the variable name based on our PowerPoint presentation. List variable name dot append. So meaning technical indicators dot append, then parentheses, and the indicators that we will try to add. Okay, and based on our task, we should add commodity channel index, average true range, Ichimoku Kinkoyo. Okay, so commodity channel index first. So commodity channel index. Okay, so then copy again and again. Okay, so let's delete this and of course this one. Average true range for the second one. Average true range. And Ichimoku Kinkoyo. Ichimoku Kinkoyo. Okay, so here I think we're now okay. Let's try to print now the technical indicators. list indicators. Okay, so take note of this spelling, my friend. So basically, the technical indicators are list 8. So let's see if this commodity channel index, average true range, and Ichimoku Kinkoyu will be added at the last part of our list. Okay, so let's click the run button. And so check it, guys. Fibonacci, Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR. Oh, pogi ako. I tried it earlier. It has been added. Anyway, this is just I just tried this for my trial before recording this video. Anyway, so commodity channel index, average true range, and Ichimoku Kinkoyu is now added on our list. Okay, so let's try to delete this all. I will give some insights for you, my friend. So let's try to delete this first and run this. Okay. So, maybe you are asking now, if we can actually have an append, why is that we separate these three? So why is that we separate the average true range from the commodity channel index, we separate the Ichimoku Kinkoyu from the average true range, and of course, from the commodity channel index, if we can actually combine them into a single row or into a single line of code only, on a single append method only. So anyway, let's try for you to be able to appreciate what will happen. So average true range. And lastly, we have the Ichimoku Kinkoyu. And let's delete this and have our print function. So print technical indicators. Okay, and let's print now. Okay, this is what I am trying to show to you, my friends. If we are about to combine two or more strings, in our case, we used to combine these three strings in only one or in only single append function, what happens is that we will be now having a type error. It says here that append function takes exactly one argument. You get it? I hope you get it. Takes only one argument. Well, in fact, three are given in our code. So if we will going to delete these two, if we'll now have an impact, it will now be added to these 8 items. So after the parabolic SAR, as you can see, we have now the commodity channel indexed. Okay, so meaning to say, an append function or append method of the Python programming language can only accommodate single additional data. Okay, so that's it for the append method. And if you're trying to ask me, sir, what will I do if I will going to add 2 or more data? You can't apply append for that. That will be actually our next topic. So watch out for our next video upload to have a solution if we are trying to add a 2 or more data in our list without using the append function. So anyway, I hope you learned from this video tutorial, and if you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video for more related contents. Okay, so this is the Engineer Trader, your partner from learning to earning, and as always, may your trades be great. Bye-bye!